so next point is vehicle on a bank road with considering frictions. So now in this case we will consider frictions. Okay, in earlier derivations we find out the surface speed, that is a v is equal to rg tan theta and banking of angle. Now this is the speed of car. Okay, this is a car, this is a surface speed. Now it will be increase or it will be decrease. So there is some limit. So v max will be there, v minimum will be there. So two conditions, two derivations we will solve. Okay, for the v max, what is the maximum speed and what is the minimum speed. Okay, so we know that, before we know that whenever there is a maximum speed, car move away. Okay, car move away from the road. That is this one is the center, then car move away from the road. So that's why friction is inward. Okay, the friction is inward, and whenever there is a speed is minimum, car move towards the center, move inward, and friction is away. So we will solve these two derivations. In your textbook direct equations are given, but we will solve that derivations. Okay, so first we will find out the V max. So V max, car is away, so that's why friction is inward. So earlier FBD we will add one more, that is a frictions, which is in always friction present on the surface of the road. So this is a road, so friction Fs is on the towards the center. So it's again having a two component, that is Fs sin theta, which is a inward, and this one is Fs cos theta. This is alternate angle. So this one is a theta, nearest to theta always there is a cos angle, and away from there there is a sin theta. So for the equilibrium conditions we will adjust upward and downward and away from the this one. So we will adjust upward forces are only n cos theta. Okay, anything? No. Now the downward forces are two are there, that is mg plus fs sin theta. Okay, so we will take mg as a subject, so it become n cos fs sin theta comes to here, so it become minus, and n cos theta keep it as it is, so it's become plus. Okay, now this is equation number 1. Second, we will do what is the centripetal force. Now in that case n sin theta and fs cos theta are moved towards the center, so this is a contribution for the centripetal force. So we will adjust, that is n sin theta plus fs cos theta is equal to centripetal force, that formula is mv square divided by r. Okay, r is the radius of a center. Okay, so divide this equation 2 with 1. So it become, yes, n sin theta plus fs cos theta divided by this term n cos theta minus fs sin theta is equal to this one mv square by r divided by mg. Okay, so m get cancelled, v square divided by rg. Here we will put fs is nothing but the mu static coefficient, friction coefficient, into normal reaction. So we will put n sin theta plus mu s into n cos theta divided by n cos theta minus mu s into n sin theta is equal to v square divided by rg. Okay, so n get cancelled, you get the equations, that is v square is equal to sin theta, or we will directly find out, that is a maximum speed v max is equal to multiply with Rg here. This all take under square root sign, and this one divide this each term by cos theta, so it become tan theta plus mu s divided by cos 1 minus mu s tan theta. We will write this equation in terms of banking India. Here we will do divide with cos theta, numerator as well as denominator. Divide numerator and denominator with cos theta, so we will get this is the maximum speed. Okay, so now if we have to calculate the minimum speed, then what is the only change in between that? The frictions. Minimum speed, car move inward and friction is away. So this frictions component is here. Okay, so it's again two component, one and second component is a horizontal component like this. Okay, instead of Fs, so I rub the initial. So what will happen here? This angle is theta. Okay, correspondence angle. So this one is again nearest to theta, that is a cos component. So this one is a Fs cos theta and this one is a Fs sin theta. Okay. So now n cos theta, again we will match the equation. N cos theta is equal to mg plus Fs sin theta. This equation is as it is, so as earlier. Second, centripetal force. Now in this case the centripetal forces are n sin theta, yes, but plus Fs cos theta. Instead of that plus there is a minus Fs cos theta, which is equal to the mv square by r. So only the difference is instead of there is a plus, here is minus. So your equations become tan theta minus this one is a plus. So these equations 1 become n cos theta upward. Okay, one more equation is there, that is a mg, which is always downward, right? And f sin theta is also downward, so f sin theta is again downward, so that is a plus fs sin theta plus mg is equal to this one. Wait, the component of fs sin theta is this one is horizontal component and fs sin theta is vertical component. Okay, so it become equivalent to this way, right? So Fs sin theta is again minus, so it become plus, this one plus, so this is equations plus. So this is the equations for the minimum velocity. You can solve these equations. Okay, have you understood? Only the difference is that you have to rememberize these two words. If the speed increases, then car away, so frictions inward. Okay, and you have to solve the derivations. Second, if the speed decreases, car move inward but friction do away. Whenever there is a frictions, component is Fs cos theta, Fs sin theta. So the formula become change. So one thing you have to conclude that is surface speed is depend on radius. You observe this one, that is a v is equal to root rg tan theta. Okay, the speed is depend on radius. If suppose there is a curve path, then if you take sharp curve, that is increasing radius, if you radius get increases, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप बाइक चला रहे और बाइक का अगर कर्व लेना है, आपका स्पीड 100 ही है और 100 ही आपको रखना है, अगर कर्व लेना है आपको रेडियस, तो रेडियस ज्यादा किया तो स्पीड भी हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, ज्यादा रख सकते हैं. अगर स्पीड कम है तो हम टर्न डायरेक्ट इधर से ले लेंगे. सो रेडियस क्या हुआ, कम हुआ. इफ द रेडियस कम देन अगेन स्पीड गेट डिक्रीजेस. सो स्पीड मेंटेन करने के लिए इट्स डिपेंड ऑन द रेडियस. ओके, so this is the surface speed, and these two equations we derived earlier, that is a maximum and minimum speed. Okay, hope you enjoy these lectures. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.